Hi, Morgan. It is a beat on the top line and a miss on the bottom line for Tesla. The company bringing in revenue better than expected, $28.1 billion. The street was expecting $26.36 billion, but EPS comes in at 50 cents a share. 50 cents a share. The street was expecting 55 cents a share. So not a huge miss, but it is a miss nonetheless. We're going to go back through the numbers, guys. Hopefully we'll get some more details in terms of future plans, future obligations, and the kind of concrete details that investors are looking for when it comes to things like robotaxi, autonomous vehicle development, et cetera. We'll let you know when we come across some of those nuggets that are worth flashing.
All right. Phil, thank you. We'll be back to you. Shares are down about 1% right now. Barb, want to get your reaction to this, especially since Tesla is not necessarily a name that trades on the fundamentals here.
No, it doesn't. I mean, 80% of their revenues are from autos, and yet it's at a 250 plus PE on forward earnings. And it's really on the hopes that it's the robo-taxis, it's the robots, it's this AI play, which frankly I don't see. And the fact that they beat on revenues, it's a question of how much in the pull forward for the EV credit that was expiring September 30th. And I think that's probably what the explanation is there. And of course, with the earnings miss, that could be pricing. Because even the storage and battery part, which is a nice high growth area, although the last quarter it was down 7% year over year, it's still only 10% of revenues. And of course, you're not getting anything from autonomous driving yet or robots. Those are still sort of pie in the sky and lots of talk about that. So I'm not surprised Tesla is down. And we'll see what they say on the conference call because, Elon Musk will no doubt talk about rollout plans, but we need specifics at this point. And I want to see what's happening with the new lower priced models, the 3 and the Y, because they have lower range, they don't have as much capability, and they're not all that cheap. So we'll see how those sales are going.